how to block a customer from your Shopify store. That's exactly what I will show you in this video. So let's get right started. Okay, so in order to do that, you'll have to install an official Shopify app that is offered directly by Shopify. So we're gonna have to click over here on apps, and then we're gonna have to type in fraud filter like so, and click on search in the Shopify App Store, and a new page will open with this option being the right one. So let's click on this one. As you can see, it's directly by Shopify. So let's click on add app right here, then wait for it to load. And then right here on this page, you're gonna have to click on install app right here. And there we go, the app should now have been installed. And then you can click on add new filter right here in order to start. And then you can create a filter name. I'm just gonna type in block customer like so, and then you can choose an action, cancel the order. That's probably what you want to do, unless you only want to receive a warning when that customer makes an order. But yeah, so now you can choose which, you can choose a rule. For example, the email, or you can choose some other things. I'm just going to choose email, and then just choose one of these. In this case is, and then you would enter the email of the customer that you want to block. So I'm just going to leave this example email in here right now, and then click on add rule. And there we go. And now we can just click on save, and now it's been saved. Actually, I have to delete that row. Okay, just click on save like so, and there you go. So now this email has been blocked from making orders on your store.